Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and add a video prototype to your Behance work. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I'm going to click on one of my case study and show you what I'm actually talking about. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, so this is the case study right here. So once I scroll down, you can actually see the video section right here. And if I click on play, this is going to play the video. So as you can see, it's going to play the video. And this is another video also right here. And I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do that. Okay, it's very easy. It's not stressful. Okay, so if you notice right here on this section, on this video section, you notice that I'm making use of Vimo. Okay, I'm making use of Vimo. In order for you to do this, all you need to do is go ahead and visit Vimo. So I'm going to do this by going to vimo.com and click on it. Then you can see right here the video is playing. As you can see right here the video is playing. So I'm going to click on share your work and come to the project section and click on project because I want to make use of a new work. I want to create a new portfolio for this. Okay, so I'm actually creating. I'm going to start from scratch, and Vimo is still loading. I don't know what's on my internet. It's actually slow. So yes guys, as you can see, this is it. So the next thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and click on this new upload, then new video, then click on upload, then click on upload. Then it's going to ask you to join Vimo. Then you can actually if you input all information and join Vimo. But I already have an account with Vimo, so I'm just going to log in. I'll click on login and click on login with my Google account. Okay, so I've successfully logged in into my account, and as you can see right here, it says drag and drop to upload a video. So I'm going to select a random video on my playlist. So right now I don't have any prototype, so I'm going to select random video. I'm going to come here. I'm just going to click on make use of any video. So don't worry about the video. I'm just actually showing you how to go ahead and add a prototype to your Behance portfolio, whatever you're doing. So as you can see right here, says the video is uploading and it's playing at the same time. So while it's uploading guys, you can actually go ahead and rename this. You can rename this, you can rename the file to maybe whatever you're actually doing. So I'm going to say, for example, I would just say UI, sorry, okay. So I'm just making use of a random title. You can actually get and put a description if you want, but this is not compulsory. Okay, you just need this. So I'm going to continue with the video once this has successfully uploaded. Okay, so uploaded. Okay, I can see completed. So it's actually going loading. So I'm waiting for it to load. Waiting for it to load. Okay, so it's still loading. It's loading. Okay, so boom. So now it's optimizing. I think it's optimizing the video. So while it's optimizing the video, you can actually go ahead and fill in other things right here in the privacy section by selecting all audience. Select all audience, then come to the sharing section and scroll down. You come to make sure it's set to everywhere, or sorry, anywhere. Okay, anywhere. Where can the video be embedded? Anywhere. And you click on embed. You click on this embed and it's going to give you a code. This is the code. It's going to give you this code. What you want to do is copy this code, come back to Behance. Then let's say for example we have some, let's say we have few slides. I can say uh design for follow button. Let's say this is our first slide. Then we want to input the next slide. We can actually go ahead and click on this icon right here that looks like code icon. Click on it, then place in the code. Just place the code there, then click on embed. Okay, once you click on embed, it's going to place the video on that section. As you can see right here, video placed already. So the video might actually be small like this. What you guys need to do is, the tweak you need to do guys is to click on it and edit the code. Then what I want you to do is to change the height and the width. You can actually move I'll prefer you remove this width, this style section that has to do with width 100% and height 100%. Remove it, then remove this, then enable, then enable again. Then now it's going to be full width, as you can see right here. Once you've removed that width 100% and height 100%, it's going to be full width now. Then the next thing you want to do, guys, is to go ahead and click on, you can actually click on settings if you wanted to touch the heading of that. This once you want it to be all round, that is content spacing, removing the space around it. So you click on content spacing, you set it to 0, then click on save, and boom, you can actually go ahead and publish this. So I'm just going to click on view a preview, so you can actually see what it's going to look like if you are actually if you've actually done what I actually showed you in this video. So as you can see right here, this is it, and you can actually click on play, and this is going to play by itself. Okay, so it will play, as you can see right here, it's playing right now. Okay, so this is how you can actually go ahead and add a video prototype to your Behance work. Okay, it's very easy. And yes, guys, you can also make this autoplay by clicking on this edit section, coming to edit, embed, and from right here you can see allows autoplay. Function is enabled already, so this shows that it's going to autoplay, so you can actually leave that as autoplay. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it on how to go ahead and embed. So yes, guys, when it comes to creating stunning prototypes, and you want creating stunning prototypes or making your prototype look amazing, you can also make use of Canva in making your prototype look more amazing by whenever you have when you've actually recorded your prototype on your mobile phone or your desktop, and you want to go ahead and add a mobile mockup phone around it. You can actually do that using Canva. Very easy, very easy. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I don't want to make this video so lengthy. If you actually enjoyed this video, guys, kindly subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a like on the video and share this video if this video was helpful with your friends. And that's it, guys. If you have any issues concerning UI UX, you can actually go ahead and paste it in the comment section. That's it, guys, for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you guys in that video.